respect to the Adani Group of stocks, hammered for 8 straight sessions after that report by Hindenburg. But then you've seen that recovery kick in, and that's something that I'd just like to address, how some of these stocks are off from their 52-week lows. For instance, Adani Enterprises close to 77% off the 52-week low, 92% for something like NDTV. Adani Ports in the past 2 trading sessions, I think, has really proved its might, and that stock has seen a commendable recovery. Ditto when it comes to the entire group of stocks like Adani Wilmar, ACC, etc. Nikunj.
Yeah, I mean, first the fall was unreal, and then the comeback is unreal. So really unreal things are happening in terms of where the price action is. This is extreme volatility on both the end. What the trigger point really may be for some of these stocks is that, look, the promoter has gone out and is using their personal balance sheet to remove the loan against shares, and that's the news which I think came on Monday. Market reacted to it on Monday, they acknowledged it on Tuesday, and I think that repair work in some of these stocks will continue. Adani Group of stocks will remain volatile. Very difficult to say where the worst is behind them in terms of an immediate price action or not. But from a market standpoint, given that we've heard from Reserve Bank of India, we've heard from the Finance Minister, we've heard from LIC, we've heard from SBI chairman, other banks which have exposure to Adani Group of companies, all of them have in a sense endorsed that there is no systemic risk and there is no financial risk. There are two things here. One, is there a business risk for Adani Group of stocks? Does not look like. They've in a sense kept up to all their commitments in terms of the loan repayment. Second, what happens to the stock market? That's a secondary market issue. And within that also, some would argue and say that a lot of pressure, technical pressure in some of the Adani Group of stocks, I think now seems to be reducing. Having said that, it's very difficult to say whether they will turn volatile or not, but I would imagine that if you are trading or investing in them stock, if you are trading or investing in these stocks, you have to be prepared that these stocks in the short to medium term will remain volatile. They could remain two ways because there are a lot of factors which are at play there.
Yes, a lot of factors at play, and as somebody rightly put, that perhaps the elephant is out of the room, but the tail is still wagging. So you need to watch out for whether the worst is behind us or not with respect to the volatility in the Adani Group. But coming back to